Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we'll use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. The title of the video is how to trade like a hunter. Alright? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a position trader? Are you a long-term market participant? Or are you a medium-term market participant? What sort of trader are you? Are you a hunter? All right? There is no difference between a trader and a hunter. The similarity are almost 100% when we are talking about day trading. But as a trader, you must adopt the mindset of a hunter. All right? Why? We are looking for a trading setup, okay? So to hunt, okay, one must learn to hunt first and also know what one is about to hunt. What are you hunting? So when we're going to trade, when we're going to day trade, we're going to swing trade, we want to know what we are trading, okay? We want to know the setup that we are trading, all right? So if your supervisor asks you, which setup are you trading? You should be able to say that, okay, I'm using the 50% Fibonacci retracement, okay, trade setup, the bullish trade, or you may say, I am trading the Gartley pattern, I am trading the zigzag pattern, I am trading, okay, a distortion, I am trading the economy news. You want to have a valid setup, all right? On the 1st of November 2013, we posted a video on YouTube, www.youtube.com/Trio. The title of that video was Live Swing Trading Starts. In that video, I was showing traders, okay, how to enter a swing trade. But before I start recording the video, all right, I have identified, okay, a valid setup. The stock that we were looking at, okay, we will come back to Forex, so stay with us. If you trade a stock or any other financial instrument, stay with us, okay. The stock that we were looking at is Cisco stock, Epic, Charlie, Sierra, okay, Charlie, Oscar. This stock here, all right. And we were telling traders how to enter the trade. It was a bullish trade setup. You can see here my drawing still on the chart, which I enter right here on the 50-minute chart, okay? When the price was retesting, okay, the trend line on the 50-minute chart. So you may watch that video, live swing trading start right here. The stock was around 22.50 and the price now where? Okay, it's at now 23.51, 100 pip move. This is a beautiful trade. But before we start this exercise of live swing trading start, I was able to identify a valid setup. What I say to traders, without a valid setup, there is no winning trade. I received some email trader asking me a question about the TS2050, a free trading system that trader can download on our website. And they were asking me a question, a valid question, okay, what do I need to do? The drill is very simple. The setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. We do not want to ignore the economy news and the fundamental. As we have seen this Friday that is gone, the Northam economy news, how it has changed the market dynamics. The economy news and the fundamental can quickly change the market dynamics. So as a hunter, okay, we want to know what we are hunting. You want to trade in the stock, you want to analyze the stock, both technically and fundamentally. You go to Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, analyze the stock, check the economic environment, okay, use the trading triangle, all right? So you are hunting for, okay, a stock. You are trading Euro USD, you are hunting the Euro USD, all right? The approach is very simple. You don't want to be hunted by another trader because we have dangerous traders, all right? We want to enter the trade and be rewarded without losing or without being hunted. You are hunted or you are cooked, so to speak, all right, this is to laugh, if you end up, okay, on the wrong side on the market. We want to flow with the price itself, the number one indicator, all right. We want to align our trading method, okay, with the market itself without forcing it, all right. The purpose of this video is to encourage new traders and also experienced traders that are having difficulties to day trade or to swing trade, or even some investors, okay? You are the first thing that you must look for as a hunter. What are you hunting for? You can see on my screen here a picture of a tiger or a cheetah that has, killed this elephant. What has happened here is that the tiger has seen the crocodile, all right, and was acknowledge the setup. This is a setup for the okay. This is a funny picture, by the way, by the tiger. The tiger noticed that the crocodile was laying on the bank, all right, and the tiger was hungry, and he went into the drill, okay. So he recognized the setup. He recognized that the crocodile. He was hungry, and he walked through the water, swim gently behind the crocodile, and kill the crocodile. He killed the crocodile instantly. As you can see in this picture, he attacked the head of the crocodile and took the crocodile and swam back to the other side of the water when he had the crocodile for lunch. You don't want to be, on the wrong side of the market. The next thing that I want to say to traders, on the 24th of September 2013, we also posted another video on our YouTube channel, Jotrio channel, when the title of that video was Advanced Investment Tips. In that video, we were talking about this stock, Epic Alpha, okay? That's Alcoa stock, all right? And I will go to the yearly chart. Hopefully, I'll still have my setup on the chart. The setup that we are using here was, diagonal move, vertical move, retracement to the opposite diagonal. The stock was hanging around, the opposite diagonal. I will not go into detail about this, but I will refer traders back to the video that we call Advanced Investment Tips. Since then, the stock went up near the $10 level. During that time when I was recording the video, the stock was around $7.50 and $8, if my recollection is correct, all right. But today, the stock, if you go back to the daily chart for Alcoa stock, the stock went up to the level of $10, okay, all right, to the level of $10 before traders start taking profit. As you can see, this was again a very beautiful, a trade for us. What we have done as a hunter, we are looking for a value setup. We wait for the signal, and we select a low risk entry point. So we don't end up being like the crocodile. We want to be the tiger, the cat, trading like a hunter, all right? So what I say to traders also, talking about how to trade like a hunter, somebody who is a day trader is almost a hunter. There's no difference. The similarities are 100%. As a day trader, you do not have the whole day to mess around or to make a consistent wrong decision. For those reasons, you must know your setup. If you ask any day trader, any professional trader, you ask them, they may tell you quickly that the first thing that you need to know, you must know your setups, which means they have studied their setup, which they trade day in, day out. All right? They trade every day the same setup. And they know the implication of the setup. They know the risk-reward ratio that they need to adhere to, talking about the 5% money management rules, and the low-risk entry point, and they are doing the same thing over and over. All right, so if you want to day trade, ladies and gentlemen, all right, whether you are trading stock, commodity, futures, forex, or ETF, you must have a valid setup. Without a valid setup, there is no winning trading. As we are talking about hunting, all right, now it's a weekend, today is Sunday, all right, a lot of traders will spend most of the time, professional, will look through different charts and to prepare themselves for the week ahead. They are looking for what we call the technical trading setups, all right. Once they find the setup, they put them aside. They will not choose only bullish setup. They will select bullish setup and bearish setup. The reason is that they don't know what the market will do, how the week will be, so they have two lists. So as the market open on Monday, we know that the market will adjust itself. So we must wait until New York is open. If you are day trading before New York is open, we must be very cautious, okay? This is very, very important for portfolio adjustment. As New York opens, we must wait at least 30 minutes, all right? So they follow these steps naturally, and they're doing it day in, day out, all right? Now that we have our trading plan, which is our stock screening, all right? So you look for setup, best setup. This is a technical analysis. You will now go to Google Finance, okay? Put in the epic of the stock that you are checking. Don't check only the cash flow. Check the management. Check the sale, all right? Check the market environment. Try to play a little bit with your mind game, all right? And to see whether this stock has a future or not, know the current economy news that are connected to the financial instrument that you are about to trade. This is crucial because you don't want to come in Monday, you are very bullish to buy stock, and as you enter the trade, you hear that some bad news and the stock is going down. On the other hand, you want to sell the stock, and maybe that's the day that the stock, the company is going to release their earnings, and the earnings, okay, has exceeded the analyst expectation, analyst forecast. So the stock gap up, and while you are about to sell it because you see a bearish setup, all right? So when we see the setup, we just put them aside. This is our trading plan. Nothing special about it. We put them aside, both bullish and bearish. Now we are waiting for a signal. But before we start waiting for the signal, we do our verification, the fundamental analysis, all right? Checking the economy news. This is very important. The reason why I'm saying this is because for some traders, that's all they need to do. I see sometimes the frustration traders go through all kind of problem. And I've been through it myself and understand clearly. And sometimes for some traders, they just need to start paying attention more to the economy news and being more disciplined. Do not overtrade, all right? Do not place trade all over the place when major economy news are due. And sometimes you may have to close some trade, not because the trade is a useless trade, just because you are trying to prevent losses, or you don't know the outcome of the trade, the economy news. So you may decide to close those trades. You don't want to have 20 trades open when the non-farm economy news is about to be released, or the GDP of Great Britain or United States is about to be released, or the ECB president, Mr. Draghi, is about to speak, or the Fed is about to make a statement or something like that. So these are few things that you need to pay attention to if you want to trade like a hunter. So for a trader, the first thing after, so you want to become a hunter, you want to learn to become a hunter. So you go on YouTube, go to the web, a lot of free material, learn to trade, all right? You improve your ability to trade. Do not repeat the same mistake over and over. This is very important. If you made a mistake, you have a losing trade, review the trade. What was the mistake? Note it down, and next time pay attention to it so you don't do it again. All right? This kind of little adjustment, okay, can result in greater improvement. All right? So once you've done that, okay, you have the setup, okay, you do your verification. Now you are waiting for a signal. There are two types of signal. One signal is called the indirect signal, which is given by the indicators. All right? So, for instance, the stochastic is oversold, as you can see here in this section here. Some traders trade oversold and overbought stochastic. Okay, so the stochastic is oversold here. This is a setup. So a lot of traders will try to buy it. As you can see here, the stock did not go up straight away. All right? This is an indirect signal given by the stochastic. The indirect signal must be confirmed by the price itself. The price will always give what we call a direct signal, which means break above, at least break above the trend line and retesting the trend line. That's the best low-risk entry point. So here, as I show you for the Cisco stock, we see the setup on a higher time frame. I do my verification. I'm happy about that stock. I went to the 15-minute chart. I can use a 10-minute chart. I can use 3-minute chart, depending on my risk tolerance, what I'm trying to achieve, my trading style. All right, that's why I don't get involved with the trading style of traders. It's very important. And now we wait for the price to confirm the signal. So here we are. Stochastic oversold where I put my spotlight. Some traders will be buying. Okay, see what's happened. The price going down. You want to buy at a support level. So, for instance, somebody who understands that will have drawn, where is the support level? There's one here, okay? So there's one here. Let's color in turquoise. All right? Pay attention. Now, the exercise, the purpose of this video is, okay, to get the attention of traders so they may start, okay, improving, okay? So we have a support here. All right? So the stochastic oversold, if I want to buy at a valid support level. So where is it? There's one support here. So I'll wait for this support to be validated. It's not because it's a support level, then I will just buy on it. I'll wait for it until it's validated. Yes, it was validated here. Price changing direction and went up. We're on a daily chart. As a day trader, you may switch to your 50-minute chart or whichever time frame favorite for you, and you may participate in this trade using the TSTW24. Okay? All right? So that's how you want to trade. Here we are again. Now the stock is here. You see, the stochastic now overbought. Traders are selling. Why are they selling? Where is the resistance level? Which resistance level are you selling at? So you want to know why you are selling. Why we should go to the higher time frame. The higher time frame shows us the bigger picture. The bigger picture for this stock is bullish. But as we are about to enter the trade, we must go to the lower time frame to select a low risk entry point. So there is a resistance here. That's why some traders are selling. As the price going down, the price looking for a better support level. Where are the support level? We want to know. This is about knowing what we are hunting and also knowing how to hunt. All right? So for day trading or for swing trading, traders get into trouble sometimes because whether you are day trading or swing trading, you must always adhere to the multiple time frame trading method. This is crucial all the time. So if you are using the TSTW24, you are using TSTWSY8008, or you are using the TS2050, or you are using any trading method, you must always adhere to the multiple time frame trading method. Why? Because the market is fractal. So you want to know more about fractal trading, go to dayprotrader.com. So the market is fractal. That's why we can't go to one single time frame and make a decision. At least 3 time frame. If you are lazy, at least 2. So, but as we enter the trade, it doesn't mean that the price will definitely go up or go down. There are many reasons, many market participants that are in the market. We must draw also a warning line. So, suppose we were here, this is my warning line, this is a support level, price went down to far below it, come out, just come out, just come out. Alright? So, today trades, or to swing trades like a hunter, one must first find a setup. So suppose you want to trade a stochastic, so stochastic is overbought. Okay, draw your warning line. Which resistance is the stochastic overbought is pointing to us a resistance level. Now, it's a setup, validate the setup. What's the long-term view? What's the bigger picture? Stochastic overbought on the 50-minute chart, stochastic overbought on the 2-hour chart, stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour chart, maybe stochastic oversold in another time frame, oversold in another time. Now, what's the consensus? Okay? So as a day trader, you want to take advantage of the short-term fluctuation of the market so you can afford, okay, to make wrong decisions consistently, okay? Though losing trade do happen, you want to align the technical with the fundamental. One of the mistakes that is happening now, we see a lot of traders can trade, which I noticed many times, but the economy news is messing up traders. Let's go back now to Forex, okay? I want to bring on now what has happened this Friday when the non-farm economy news is due. We were telling traders a few weeks ago in many of our videos that the dollar yen has a high chance, you remember, has a high chance, slowly but gradually, to go to the level of 9950. I have talked about it on Facebook, on YouTube, in different places, and I said the dollar has a high chance. During that time, people were pushing the dollar down. I said to them, slowly but gradually, we will prefer the dollar to go to the level of 9950 when we look for opportunity to sell. Where the dollar went this week, it went to the 9950 level. Now, what is about to take place now? So, the week that is about to begin, all right, what is our expectation? So this is the difference. The trading plan, all right, the trading video that we are doing now, all right, analyzing the market. But apart from the technical, we must check Forex Factory, Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, be aware of the current environment. So for next week, my expectation, this is my own expectation for the dollar yen, is to go back to the 9950, even better, crazy bull to push it to 100, okay? That will be even interesting for us. So it comes to 50, don't just force it, okay? Be gentle, okay? Be gentle. Let it roll it. Even let them push it. Pay attention to the economy news to even to 100. That will be gorgeous even for us. And from that point onward, we'll look for opportunity to sell. Now, when I say something like this, some traders say, George says sell. No, we look for opportunity to sell. We are paying attention to the economy news. If everything remains intact for us, okay, in an orderly market, okay, orderly market, we will look for opportunity to sell and sell. If, for one reason, it happened to be that some bad news coming from Japan, we are talking about dollar yen, or some bad news happening in the Eurozone, or we see some excellent news for the dollar will ignore the technical and continue to move to the upside. Okay, but the beginning of everything, as I explained to you, for a hunter, we must see what we are hunting. What are you hunting? Okay, so on Monday, you buy or you sell. Ask yourself, why am I buying? Why am I selling? What are you hunting for? All right, now you see what you are hunting for, which means you see your setup, or you identify your setup, like the tiger has identified the crocodile. The tiger was hungry. No, the tiger did not jump on the crocodile straight away. All right, all right. The tiger went into different stage. He lay down, went down to the water slowly, gently, without any noise. Slowly, he didn't jump when he was halfway, very close to the crocodile. Keep eyes on the crocodile. As I say, keep eyes on the price. Though we are using technical, do not look too much on the indicator. Keep eyes on the price. The price is the target. The price is the crocodile for us. And at the right moment, you receive the signal, take it. All right? But you see, the crocodile also can hunt. You understand? The crocodile can hunt. The crocodile can eat people, can eat fish, can eat other animals. But here the crocodile was hunted by the tiger. So as a trader also, you don't want to be hunted by another trader or by the market itself. So as we are about to enter the trade, or once we enter the trade, we must manage the trade. This is about risk control. How much risk are you willing to take? Do you know when the signal has failed? What do you do when the signal has failed? The time of the day. What time of the day are you coming to the market? Is the hourly candle close? Is the 4-hour candle close? Yes. Is London close? Are you trading the gap period? Okay, you are swing trader. Okay, we are approaching the end of the year now. What's going through the mind of portfolio managers? Are they taking profit? What's taking place? Check the yearly chart. Okay, we are coming to the end of the year. Professionals are looking at the yearly chart and the quarterly chart. This is, okay, this is just normal. All right, this is the last quarter of the year. Trading a year part 3, part 2, part 1, and we are paying attention to all this. Learning to hunt, learning to trade is almost the same thing. Following the trading drill. Now some traders may say, it's too much for me. Understand? All I'm saying to you, all right, as a friend, just, I know you can do it. If you find it too tough, okay, go back to the drawing board, open a demo account, okay, and take it seriously, okay, and work on it until you find a setup that you can own. A setup can be a Gartley pattern, a butterfly pattern, okay, or can be a crab pattern, all right, these are Fibonacci patterns, or it can be an Elliott wave pattern. Let's move on. On a hourly chart, okay, we see something very interesting, okay, on Thursday. So the dollar went fast to this level. Some traders sold it. They knew these are smart traders. They sold it straight away because they know that they will look for opportunity to sell around that. These are aggressive market participants, there are sellers here. So they sold it. Price ran down fast to this level. At this point in time, I was here. New York was about to open. In normal condition, ladies and gentlemen, the dollar yen on Thursday after London closed, in normal condition, the dollar yen should return back to the level of 9950 by displaying a double top. But because they know that the following day we have the non-farm economy news, traders were adjusting their portfolio, and there are other exercises that I don't want to talk about very much, which means some traders that know that they're going to lose big time, all right, some market participant has to close some position, and the dollar went down all the way here. Well. I find it very interesting when the dollar went down like this, all right? In fact, I bought the dollar again somewhere here, and I took my profit after the non-farm data because I left that trade on. It was a risky trade. I did not close it, and the dollar ran fast with this candle, okay? And my limit order was taken out, and I was taken out profitably. But the point I want to make to you here, ladies and gentlemen, there was a setup here. You can see the price went up, okay, all the way here and went back to the starting point. This is a cycle point. It's a setup. When we see a cycle point, we highlight it. It was a cycle point on the hourly chart. Now we will not enter the trend on the hourly chart, but before we even looking for a signal, we will check what's happening on the 4-hour chart, maybe daily chart, even go to the weekly chart to see what's happening. We know that there's a resistance at 9950. So there were sellers here that are selling. These are long-term sellers that are using the Elliott wave theory. We know that. So it's a tricky one here. So we will see what's going to happen at this cycle point. The price went down, okay? The same distance, you know how we do the setup, okay? You project it to the downside. And you will wait for a convergence signal at the convergence point. Price display a cycle point. It break below the cycle point or it break above the cycle point. We project the distance to the downside. Price reaches the target point. We are watching and looking for a convergence signal because traders that sold it here are likely to take profit at the target point. It's a convergence signal. This is a setup. Again, as a hunter, as a day trader, this is what you are looking for. The convergence point, the cycle point, okay? The Elliott wave pattern, especially the zigzag pattern, the zigzag patterns, the flat correction, the corrective waves. You want to know them. The bullish trade for swing traders, bullish trade video 1, video 2, video 3 at YouTube/Job Trio. You want to know your setup. You want to know your Fibonacci pattern. You want to know your Elliott wave pattern. You want to keep eyes on the price. You want to draw your channel. You want to draw your trend line. You want to pay attention to the market patterns. Use a multiple time frame trading method. All right. If you see any setup given by the TS2050 or any trading system, apply always, okay, the multiple time frame trading system, trading method, but do not use the technical alone. As you are itching to buy or sell, so to speak, you are also paying attention to the fundamental. You are also paying attention to the economy news. Do not discount other market participants. As you see, though the crocodile also is a hunter, the crocodile has been hunted by the, okay, the tiger. All right. So when we are day trading, we are like a hunter. We are swing trading, we are like a hunter, and we don't want to be hunted by another hunter. The market is full of different type of traders, the liquidity traders, the momentum traders, the hedge funds, the banks, and there are many activity in the market. So as a hunter, we don't want the thing that we are hunting to hunt us. So we don't want to fight the market. We don't want to fight the price. We want to flow with the price. Whether you are using a MACD setup, price display double bottom, MACD crosses above a signal, price display double top, MACD crosses below a signal, trend line is broken and retested, you must always adhere to the multiple time frame trading method like a hunter. As you can see, before the tiger starts the move, there were a lot of situations. The tiger did not jump from the other end of the river to the crocodile straight away. That will alert the crocodile straight away. The crocodile may go away. But the tiger went to different stages. The tiger is a professional hunter. It's one of the best hunters. It's a cat. And as I said to you before, they don't just go, okay, and jump on what they want to hunt. They go gently. What I say to trader also is that we want to trade, okay, we want to be very calm, okay. So you see the setup, you do your verification, you see the signal, you find your low risk entry point. Now think, what time of the day is now? Okay, today is Wednesday, or today is Friday. What's happening on Friday? There is some profit taking, there's some profit adjustment, market portfolio adjustment. I'm trading on Monday. Okay, should I enter my swing trade on Monday? Okay, I would prefer to enter on Tuesday, because on Monday I don't like the portfolio adjustment and how the market behaves. Okay, now what do we have for the next day? You want to know, so you don't want to enter the trade and the next day you are taking out, and the following day you see that the price is doing exactly what you are doing. It takes a lot of experience. It takes a practice. As I say to traders, do not give up, but keep practicing, keep improving, all right? Keep learning, all right? Review your trading style. What am I doing right? Okay. Maybe there is a trade you always take that is always successful. Okay, work on it, focus on that, use that, okay, as at your advantage, all right? If you look at the Euro USD, before I close this video, all right, Euro USD was very interesting situation for the Euro USD. In fact, sometimes it's annoying, all right? You can see that the price went down fast here, okay? It went down fast. In fact, the stock, look. On this, let's go to the 4-hour chart so we can see more data, okay? Pay attention carefully. I want to talk to you about trading like a hunter, okay? Here we are. We know that the euro should go down. Well, how do we know? All right, look. The initial move was what? The initial move was bearish, okay? So we will say to ourselves, as long as the price remain below the 50% of the initial move, priority to bearish signal. So if we are buying, let me show you. If you are buying below this level, which is the 50% of the initial bearish move, we need to be very careful. We can't afford to trade anyhow. Doesn't mean that we cannot buy below 50%. We can. But when we are doing that, we need to be very careful. The price was at support level, you see, and the price was going blah, 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 like this. But the dominant force is bearish, still bearish, because they were selling. But the next thing that we need to know, prior to this bearish move, there was what? A bullish move. Yes, there was a bullish move. The price pulling back. Yes, okay. So we may also draw the 50% of that level. Okay. But there's something else that earlier wave traders know. This is about a zigzag pattern. When we see 5 moves down, which is a corrective move, the first thing that is coming to our mind is a zigzag pattern, which is telling us that the correction is not completed yet. So whenever we see a bullish move followed by a correction, we will analyze the internal wave of the correction. If the internal wave, if we see 5 internal wave of the correction, is telling us that the correction is not finished yet. In fact, what I was telling traders for some times is that the euro has a high chance, let's go to the weekly chart, to go to which level? In the level of 132.27. That zone, okay? Yeah, let's put it here. If you check our video, check it, you will see. I was telling to them when the euro was going up weeks before, I was telling to them the euro USD has a high chance to pull back to the level of 132.00. So my expectation next week is that you may see on Sunday the stock, you may even gap up due to profit taking and blah blah blah, because the bear was selling for a long time. You see, they were selling for a long time, so you may see a gap up. But the lowest point for last week was what? Let's go again to the weekly chart. The lowest point for last week was what? Was at 132.95. 132.95. So in our view, we will prefer the euro USD to go down more. All right, it went to 132.95. We are not happy about it. We will prefer it to go down more, at least to come down near the level of 13230, 13230, or at least 13250. All right, that will give us more confidence. We want to buy the euro when it reaches the zone of 13220. We will be looking for opportunity to buy the euro USD if it reaches the level of 13220. But before that, if we are buying, we need to be very careful. The strategy that we must adopt at the beginning of the week is to use the trading idea part 1, both for the dollar yen and also for the euro USD. As I said to you in this video, I've been talking to you nearly an hour now, ladies and gentlemen. My intention was not that the video is too long, but we have come across only 35 minutes, so it's not too bad. What we are talking about here is very important, how to trade like a hunter, because with the online trading, we are seeing a lot of traders coming to the market, ordinary traders coming to the market. People can go and buy trading system or buy trading robot, expecting to make money in the market. If it was that easy, everybody would have done it. It's not that easy. Traders that are making money in this market are traders that have learned it the hard way. They have lost in the past. They went through the process of learning by reviewing their trade, by using a 5% money management rule, by understanding the market and also the market participant, by learning consistently. These are the traders that are remaining in the market. Yes, losing trade do happen. Trading accounts sometimes can be even wiped out, but the most important thing for traders is to remain in the market and be able to identify value setup and take advantage of it. A winning trade can pay back past losses. All right, so we want to keep learning and improving our ability to trade. All right, I hope you have learned something from this video also. All right, and we put it to use, to trade like a hunter. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.